Oh, so I started fucking around with this fucking thing. So manually primed the pump. There's no air bubbles going to the pump, like no air locks or anything. But it gets to the pump, doesn't get through the pump. Cracked an injector. Tried to start the car, nothing comes out of the injector. So I'd say the pump's fucking shit itself. But also pulled the intercooler off, tried spraying some Start You Bastard straight into it, and it still doesn't want to start the Start You Bastard. It should start with no fuel and no glow plugs with the Start You Bastard. So there's something else going on to stop the fuel getting to the cylinders. So I don't know if it's, because there's a couple of butterflies in here. They seem alright though, but when you, oh, I can't fucking reach it, but anyway, there's a couple of fucking valve things on the fucking side there, like vacuum fucking things. And when you pull the shaft on one of them, I can hear it. It sounds like there's fucking moisture all in this solenoid here. I've had to replace all these fucking lines. They were all fucking split and shit. So I've replaced those. But yeah, there's this brown one here. Sounds like there's something not right with it. But I don't know. So I've got, my mate's ordered me a pump. We'll see how that goes. We're gonna have to fucking pull all this manifold off to get down to the fucking pump. But yeah, there's no fucking fuel getting through the fucking pump, so obviously the fucking gears or something inside that fucking pump have stripped out. Yeah, he reckons he should have it here Wednesday, so we'll see how we go then. Hopefully it fucking starts.